Yo, what's good, my people? So look, I called out a trade in the group. I told them that USD chef sales is coming. All right. So I told them to be on the lookout once it hit one of these zones. We are already in a H1 zone right now. I got another little peak, but from here, I feel like we could sell off. So I'm trying to see where I want to get in at. I'm going in for the big boys. We just got done with a profitable call. I'll show you. I made 40 some dollars on the call. Then I risked 10 of it on news and lost that, but that's fine. Doing 1% trades. I always do those on the call, and then I'll go a little crazy afterwards for the videos. But yeah, so great call today. Had a good time, man. If you ain't in the group, you need to go ahead and get in there. But I'm looking for this sell off. We closing, and I think that's number one. I'm gonna double up on that. I'm feeling strong about this sale. Feeling like it's gonna be a good one. All right. So patience whenever you're trading, man, patience is everything. So a couple things I was looking for on this particular trade is for the market to reject off of one of these H1 zones. All right. Start closing below this zone, which it did. It start coming down below it, closing. So I'm like, okay, I feel like that's gonna go. And then we starting to get that push. Now, with this being an uptrend, I don't know how long this particular sale is gonna last. Oh, but that's good. That's a great entry. That is a great entry. Matter of fact, for the group, just so they know, there ain't no cap in my rap. Always got to hit them with this here to let them know, look, we up. The entry was nasty. You feel me? That's easy money right there. Let's get to this bag. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's a good day today, man. That's a good day. You see what I'm saying? When you know what you know, baby, you know, you can do those kind of things. So let me just walk y'all through what I do so they know what time it is. I done told them what time it was. You know what I'm saying? USD, F, I put in that win, right? I come over here and I update it. As people are already updating as well. You know, we want to come on over here. I'm going to let them know, look, this is what we on. Let me go to trade signals. USD, CHF win. I just post that right on in there, and I tell them, look, caught it. You feel me? Boom. Somebody else caught it, as you can see. Bingo. They said they caught. They probably uploading their photo right there. I just hit them with a let's go. All caps because I'm excited. All caps because I'm excited. And that's just what it is, y'all. So that's how you could be more confident in your trading, y'all. Like zones. I've been trying to tell y'all. Zone, 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 zone. You feel me? When the zones is right, everything popping. And you could be more confident. And that's why I mark my stuff up on the H1. All right. I mark it up on the M15 and then the M1. And it gives me references on where to enter. So that's when I was telling y'all want higher confirmation trades. Let the market shoot up. This is right after news, though, because usually I told you, as soon as news hits, the market usually retrace and turn around. Now, we don't know how long it's going to take before it turns around, so that's why you got zones. Because if it continues to push, then you know, all right, we're going to be coming to this zone, so we should get a sell-off. You feel me? So let me refresh this, see if anybody else is updated. Some people be in here asleep. They don't be trying to catch them. I'm like, look, y'all see. They already made their money on the call, though. A lot of them made their money on the call. They be good. They don't want to overdo it. That's me. Okay, boom. So they showing me their proof. They showing me their entry. So let's take a peek at it. Boom. I love it. Same entry. Let's go. You gotta love it. You feel me? So it's what it's all about. But confirmations, y'all. So if you want to know how to mark your stuff up correctly, this is what you do. You come to the H1. Now let me go to a different pair so y'all don't get confused. I can come to an OTC. It really don't even matter which one I use. You know what I'm saying? It don't even matter. I marked so many of these up. Boom. This is actually beautiful. This is actually going to go up. This is automatic, so I can see it clear as day. And matter of fact, let me pause right. Well, No, I don't need to. I think I already got this up. Yep, let's go. Boom. So I can see this clear as day. Look at this market structure. Market shot straight up, pulled back. Boom. Zigzag already formed this way. So logically, in the next few hours, I'm sure we're going to go back up. But that's just without even marking it up. But just to mark it up, let me show you. So I come here to that H1, and I'm just grabbing the points. So we already stopped here, start rejecting, so I'll just put one here. The market came down, stopped here, start retracing. You can see, we got some of the same zones. I duplicate that, and I'm trying to do as close to the area as possible. So I'll even do this one. I don't have to go all the way because this is an H1 candle, so I don't have to go all the way up or all the way down in particular for that. You feel me? So until the market starts getting up here, then I'll make more zones. But right now, I just need to be in the vicinity of it. So that's good. I do see a zone here. So when I see stuff like this, and this is what I mean right here. Let me show y'all. So you see these two candles right here. They both stopped here, turned around. This one stopped here, turned around. So now I know that's a strong zone. So since I don't want to stretch these all the way over, a lot of times I'll just do one of these right here. Boom. And then I'll make that a green 3px, boom. Then I come to the N15 because now I got my references. This is my references on the H1. So now I know strong zones on the H1. N15, I look to see any other little small zones. So for instance, right here, you see how the market came down here and we got these two candles and it rejected and kind of went up. That's an N15 zone. And so if you want to mark that, you can. If not, if you feel like it's going to get the chart too messy, you don't have to. But sometimes I'll mark it anyway, and I'll just change that color so I can understand which zone is which. And then from there, if you want to find another smaller zone under here, which I kind of see one right here, yeah, so that's about as far as you're going to go before. So let me go here. I'm going to mark one more, which is this one over here to the left. Why? Because the market stopped right here and went back up. So now I know that's a zone. So that's all I need right here for this particular pair. So now from here, I'll go to the M1. Boom. And now I can visually see where my next entry is. Now, who can guess where my next entry is? I got two options. All right. First option, I can continue a sell-off until we hit this zone. After we hit this zone, then I can look for my buy. You see what I'm saying? So that's why it's important to mark your charts up so now you can visually see where the market is going. Now, if the market does bounce here and I miss it, then I know I can at least ride it up to one level here because this is where we rejected last time. All right, if it decides to keep going up, we know here's the second level. Why? Because of this right here, rejected and turned around. So that's the second level. It could buy to. If it breaks through all that, it's going to continue to go up until it hits these next levels. And that's all the market does. Zone, zone, zone. But that's how you visually see the market and how you can eat in these markets every single time. So I'm not going to get no more trades right now because I've had a great day. And I don't want to mess that up. You feel me? Where we at? $204 today. That's a good day. I am good with that. And, yeah, we chilling. So I'm going to holler at you. Matter of fact, real quick, let me see if anybody else caught the trade before we get out of here. See if anybody else caught it, man. A lot of them be asleep. Or they done already made their bread. All right, Jasmine got it. She just commented. Let's go. Jazz caught it. Let me see if anybody else caught it. Let me see. Boom. So it looked like maybe some other people caught it. They just ain't said it. But, hey, that's how you do it, man. So if y'all ain't in the group, man, hop in the group. Trade with us every day. I got some special stuff coming, too. I ain't going to say on here, but it's coming. So get on in here. Let's get it popping. I'll let y'all. Let's go.